Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a text on Android. So if I go for my message option, then select the message. Okay. Then type your message here. After that, hold the send button here. And you can see there are three options: your SIM cards and schedule send option. Tap on it. Now by default there are three options here. You can select your time and date from here. You can select date and go for next and select time, and you can go for next and go for save, and now can just go for send. So after that you can just schedule to your text message on Android. So yeah, that's it. That's the process. This is how you can schedule a text message on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.